my name is Purple Guy 304 Gaming here. So I'm just making this um 0.17 update of Minecraft MCPE review. So we're starting and we're just gonna review all of these items very shortly. But this is my first Minecraft ever video in my channel. But I'm supposed to be having Five Nights at Freddy's. So on my next video, I'm gonna make another Minecraft. Then I'm gonna promise that I'm gonna make Five Nights at Freddy's. So, starting. So, this item is called the Ender Crystal. Ender Crystal is just a block that very cool looking block that regenerates up the Ender Dragon. That Ender Dragon health is almost 200 plus, and while the Wither is almost 300 plus. So, this head is from the Ender Dragon. You might may get this if you defeated the Ender Dragon or something like. It also have a secret feature that when you power up power up the head with the lever, it will have an animation like this. Cool, right? So I'm gonna power. Oh, oops. So power this off. Then this is an end chest. Some MCPC players or Minecraft PC edition players should know this block. So for example, we had this purple slab. So we're just gonna enter it and add this up. So while I made this, I put another and just here. So there you go. There's your items teleported to another chest. So pretty cool. So this block is used for adventure when you're going very far from your home. You don't have your items, then you just put it on the ender chest and just put this up, then you're good to go. So by the way, this block is very hard to craft. Oops, my bad. So it's very hard to craft. So I don't advise that you're gonna risk your life just to build one of these or two of these. So I'll go put this up again. So this is just the corpus plant. There's another one here, but this is the chorus flower. Chorus flower is just a block beneath this item. It's usually found in the end city, which the other mobs like shulker lives. And in the end city, you can see normally generated biomes like the end city, right? So we have these new awesome blocks found in the end city. So this is the purple blocks, purple stairs, purple slab, purple blocks, and other. So this is the end rod. I don't know what this is usually do, or maybe made for giving us light. So there's new block that added to the NCT also. Look. This is just looks like the end stone, but it was little bit made brick. So adding to the mobs. This is just an endermite. Endermite, when you get the ender pearl and you throw it a lot in the same place like this, you got the almost 100 chance to spawn it with you. Oops, where am I? So, I don't know where I teleported, but I already know. So, sorry for that. So, back into the items. So, we have this Endermite that naturally spawn with you when you use the Ender Pearl. That these ops and these mobs are really pesky. So, I don't like to get near of these because they are really, for me, it's nasty. So, get out. So, for these new items in the MCPE are the, what is it called? Oops, why am I teleporting? So, it is called the chorus fruit and the, so this fruit can teleport you whenever you go, I think. Let's try it. It teleports you randomly. So it's pretty awesome, but not that awesome. So we have our what is that item? Popcorus fruit. So I don't know what it does. It can be it. Nah, can't be. So Ender Pearl, I should. It is a item that let you teleport around like this. So okay. This this is an Eye of Ender. Usually helps you out to locate the end portal. So and usually used for activating the end portal. This is the Elytra. Elytra are like just wings of birds, but they are used for players, and you can only get this when you defeated the Ender Dragon. So it was just added in the computer and before MCPE. And these items are really rare to have, and it was really hard to get. It was only found the NCT. So next, we have the lingering potions. So I don't know how to pronounce it yet. So we have the linger potion. I don't know what it does. Oh, oh, it must be like a smoke bomb that can produce a particle that when you walk through it, it will create a particle that makes you invisible to that, which is awesome. So before this, all of this, we're going to the end. And by the way, I already really, so I already wear the elytra, and let's go to the end. So we're in the end, which the Ender Dragon lives, and I don't know what's happening because it's really lag, and the generated biome is not that great much. But I already see the end pillars or the ender crystal pillars nearby, and there's the ender dragon over there. So we're not gonna defeat it yet, but we can watch it go near to the end crystal. End crystal, like I just told you, it just regenerate the ender dragon cell. This is the end portal, the ender dragon's nest. When you defeated the ender dragon on on and dragon's egg will goes to the top of it, and the end portal block will be opened here, and you will get out to the end. So sorry for my audio, and because I just woke up. So thank you much for watching this. So I hope you enjoyed this because I just have an headache. So goodbye and see you next to the next video.